Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a system restore point in Microsoft Windows 11. So a system restore point is essentially a snapshot of your computer's system files and settings at a specific time. It's important because it allows you to roll back your PC to a stable state if something goes wrong with your PC without you losing personal files like documents, photos, and videos. Those remain untouched. That said, Windows automatically creates restore points before major changes like installing updates, drivers, or new applications or softwares. You can, however, create these restore points manually, and that is what we are going to do in this video. So to begin with, click in the search box beside the start button and type system protection. After typing that, you will see the create a restore point. Select that or click on that to open the system properties pop-up window. If your computer is managed, you have to type the admin username and password, but if it's your personal computer, you don't have to type that. So this is the system properties pop-up window with the system protection tab selected, and then when you check under protection settings, the protection status beside the local disk C is off. So we are going to enable the system protection by clicking on the configure, selecting the turn on system protection, clicking apply, OK, and that will change the protection status for the system drive C to on. Next thing is to click the create option and then enter the description of your restore point. And this can be any description at all. You don't have to worry about adding the current date and time to your description because that is added automatically. Click the create when you are done describing your restore point. Give it a few seconds for the system restore point to be created, and that would be it. So in this video, we've looked at how to create a system restore point on a Windows 11 PC. In my next video, we're going to look at how we can restore a Windows 11 PC using a system restore point that we've created earlier. In this case, we're going to use this system restore point we just created. So guys, kindly subscribe, like, and share the video for more videos.